Welcome to Storytime with Rowbee and friends. Let's read together. Follow along with the bouncing words. How to Catch a Garden Fairy. A Springtime Adventure. Written by Alice Walstead and Andy Elkerton. I'm so glad to be back home. This is my favorite place to be. It is more filled with magic than anywhere on land or air or sea. Who's at the door? Are there people? With one human touch, I disappear. How on earth did they find my garden? I'll stay out of sight until the all clear. Oh my goodness, it's children. They'll explore this place high and low. I wonder if these kids are gentle. I bet my tooth fairy friend will know. Do they know that I can grant wishes? Or that a new fairy is born when they giggle? Will they be jealous I have a pet unicorn? Do they know when I burp my ears wiggle? Oh, look, a new little tea party. Hey, that wasn't there before. I did just eat 10 cookies, though, right now. I don't think I want more. Almost time to go see the butterflies. On their first day, I teach them to fly. A big change from crawling on leaves. They're like flowers high in the sky. Oh, good, the zebras are here. They wish for colorful stripes. Happy to do that for them. I like colors and stripes, all types. Now to polish the petals and dust off the stems. The shine will be so bright. Flowers will gleam like gems. Due for lunch with the mermaid, and I'm running quite late. She'll go back underwater, and for me, that's not great. Almost time to walk my unicorn. She must need to go by now. She's trying to take all of her toys. That's something I just can't allow. Grooming the peacocks and parakeets and my sweet little finch. When I comb their feathers, they don't even flinch. I'm starting to get a little sleepy, but that bed is more for the birds. Wow, they made a mess of things. And now I hear the zebra herds. What a nice house those kids built. Looks like it even had a bird spa. Hold on a second, was that for me? Oh my gosh, they're so sweet. Aw. Those kids are great. Hope they had fun, and they got to explore, play, and roam. But it's getting dark, and the day is done. I'll send my friends to help see them home. Now that they're going, I'll miss them. I heard their laughter throughout the day. Hope they find their way back sometime, and just maybe next time they'll stay. In the garden lives a legend, filled with magic, wit, and fun. So grab your friends and set your traps, and catch this fairy before the day's done. Thank you for reading with us. We can't wait until we read together again.